Don't get it twisted. Those perfect YouTube videos you see of those polished, finished projects made by the talented creators you wish you could be like come with lots of busted knuckles, scars, and other lessons of life. Most will not show you the drops, spills, burned circuits, broken tools, or project failures. Those craftsmen, including myself, did not become craftsmen by passively consuming YouTube all day. To get to the level of a creator like Adam Savage or April Wilkerson, you have to get your hands dirty and mess up early and often. This is not anything new. Thomas Edison, who is credited with inventing the first practical incandescent light bulb in 1879, supposedly commented on his process. "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work," viewing each attempt as a necessary step in the process of innovation. When you stick your neck out, take a chance, break some eggs, bake something, build something, pass or fail, you should learn something. If nothing more, then that didn't work. This is true in your career and in life as well. You can't be the best by being a spectator. We as a society also learn that way. It's not being stupid or dumb, as many online armchair Monday morning quarterbacks would have you believe. Exploring and messing up is the natural extension of human curiosity. It's how humans learn and expand. Remember the three-wheeled ATVs that are no longer made, or the three-point jack stands that have taken their rightful place in history. Those were dubious products that we learned to live without. Those designs didn't disappear because people were dumb. They disappeared because we learned better. Further, how do you think we got indoor plumbing, lighting for nighttime, house air conditioning, glass for our windows, standardized building materials to build more homes? In all those cases, someone had an idea and saw it through, and it wasn't neat and polished the first time. Those ideas are why we don't live in caves. In my own experience, I've had unplanned, imbalanced forces cause secure, immobile cars to unexpectedly lurch. Tools bend, break, or slip. Holes get drilled where they weren't planned. That last board gets cut too short to finish the job at the end of a long day. That's shop reality. A prime example for me this weekend was trying to make a home workshop low-buck fastener tester with tools and materials on hand at the last minute. The task was to make a prototype out of on-hand aluminum instead of steel that I preferred. I invested some time cutting and shaping this important adapter to get the hero shot for today's YouTube video. The adapter predictably failed, but I did learn my design was flawed, and making another adapter out of steel would not get me the results I needed. I still intend to finish that video on my own terms. I hope that will be coming very soon. I'm also prototyping my cardboard robotic arm for a series of videos, also coming soon. All this is to encourage you to get your hands dirty, mess up, learn, and improve. Make something happen. Ignore the haters. Because maybe, 150 years from now, someone will be pointing to something you made and saying, "That's how we learned."